After days of relentless summer heat, Greece experienced a dramatic weather reversal as powerful thunderstorms, torrential rain, destructive hail, and fierce winds swept across the country. What began as another scorching summer day quickly turned into a dangerous severe weather outbreak, catching residents and tourists completely off guard. The sudden collapse of stable weather transformed clear skies into towering storm clouds within a short time, creating hazardous conditions across several regions. One of the most remarkable scenes unfolded in Athens, where dozens of tourists visiting the iconic Acropolis were forced to seek shelter as dark clouds rolled overhead. Many had arrived prepared for extreme heat, wearing hats, sunglasses, and light clothing, only to find themselves trapped in a violent thunderstorm with heavy rain, powerful wind gusts, and frequent lightning striking nearby. Across Attica, torrential rainfall overwhelmed streets and drainage systems, triggering flash flooding in Kypseli, Kolonaki, Kallithea, Keratsini, Petropoli, Ilion, Kamatero, Peristeri, Ano Patisia, Ampelokipoi, and Plaka. Several roads quickly disappeared beneath muddy water, while vehicles struggled through flooded intersections as visibility dropped during the intense downpour. Witnesses described roads turning into rivers within minutes. Floodwaters surrounded homes and businesses, while overflowing drains failed to cope with the extraordinary rainfall. In some neighborhoods, fallen trees and scattered debris blocked streets, adding to the disruption caused by the rapidly intensifying storm. The outbreak was not limited to Athens. Powerful thunderstorms also swept across Volos, Livadeia, Zakynthos, Lamia, Larissa, Elassona, Pefki in northern Evia, and Dorieon in Phthiotis. Residents reported intense lightning, damaging wind gusts, torrential rain, and large hail as storm cells developed across central and northern Greece. Among the hardest-hit areas was Domenico in Elassona, where cherry-sized hail pounded the community with exceptional force. Crops suffered extensive damage, while residents described the storm as one of the most destructive hail events they had experienced in recent years. Similar reports of damaging hail also emerged from Lamia, Grevena, and surrounding districts. meteorologists explained that the violent weather developed as extremely hot and humid air collided with a much cooler and unstable air mass, creating ideal conditions for explosive thunderstorm development. The atmosphere produced intense rainfall over short periods, dangerous lightning activity, localized hailstorms, and powerful downdraft winds capable of causing widespread disruption. As the storm swept across the country, emergency services monitored flood-prone neighborhoods and responded to reports of fallen trees, waterlogged roads, and storm damage. Authorities urged motorists to avoid flooded streets and advised residents to remain indoors until the storms had completely passed. The dramatic scenes captured across Greece highlight how quickly summer weather can become dangerous. Only hours after enduring intense heat, entire communities found themselves battling flash floods, violent hailstorms, and severe thunderstorms that transformed familiar streets into torrents of rushing water. This extraordinary weather outbreak serves as another reminder that extreme weather across Europe is becoming increasingly volatile. From the historic Acropolis in Athens to towns across Attica, Thessaly, central Greece, and the islands, nature once again demonstrated its unpredictable power, leaving behind remarkable images of flooding, hail, and storms that quickly spread around the world.
Παιδιά, δεν έχει ξαναγίνει αυτό το πράγμα. Αυτό το πράγμα τέλος, δεν έχει ξαναγίνει. Δεν έχει ξαναγίνει αυτό, παιδιά, είναι απίστευτο. Είναι απίστευτο.
Μέχρι κάτω συνεχίζει το μπουμπουνιτό ήρεμα.